Hello everyone, welcome to a most important class for TPSC election inspector and revenue inspector. আজকের ক্লাসে রয়েছে জেনারেল স্টাডিজ থেকে খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন্স। সো ওয়াচ ফুল ক্লাস and like, share, subscribe to our channel. First important question হলো who will be the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer হবে B.R. Gavai. Which state government has launched Maitri 2.0 portal? Correct answer is Maharashtra. Who is the current CAG of India? Correct answer is K. Sanjay Murthy. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of UADAI? Correct answer is Bhuvnesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary of BCCI? Correct answer is Debojit Saikia. Which countries will host the FIFA World Cup in 2026? Correct answer is USA, Canada and Mexico. Where is the headquarters of the World Health Organization located? Correct answer is Geneva. The UN Day is celebrated on. Correct answer is 24th October. Headquarters of UNESCO is at. Correct answer is Paris. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to freedom of speech and expression? Correct answer is Article 19. Which of the following European countries is known as the land of thousand lakes? Correct answer is Finland. In which city will the 2026th Commonwealth Games be held? Correct answer is Glasgow. The book Planned Economy for India was written by. Correct answer is M. Vishveshwara. Who was the last Governor General of Independent India? Correct answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Under which amendment the words socialist and secular were inserted in the preamble of Indian Constitution? Correct answer is 42nd. How many fundamental rights are now guaranteed under the Constitution of India? Correct answer is 6. The headquarters of International Court of Justice is located in. Correct answer is The Hague. The largest gland in the human body is. Correct answer is liver. The smallest bone of human body is. Correct answer is steps. Who discovered electroscope? Correct answer is William Gilbert. Who discovered electricity? Correct answer is Benjamin Franklin. B.C. Roy Award is given in the field of. Correct answer is medicine. The concept of 5-year plan was borrowed from. Correct answer is Russia. Who was the first Chief Information Commissioner of India? Correct answer is Wazid Habibullah. Who leads the Goods and Service Tax of India? Correct answer is Finance Minister. The study of heavenly bodies is known as. Correct answer is astronomy. Pedometer is used to measure. Correct answer is ocean depth. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the executive? Correct answer is Part 5. The Disaster Management Act was enacted in India in the year. Correct answer is 2005. Under which article of Indian Constitution there is provision for reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in Panchayat level? Correct answer হবে Article 243D. জেনারেল স্টাডিজ থেকে আলোচিত এই কোশ্চেন্সগুলো টিপিএসসি কম্বাইন্ড এক্সামের জন্য খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। আরও ইম্পর্টেন্ট ক্লাস পাওয়ার জন্য আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব এবং জয়েন করুন। থ্যাঙ্কস টু অল।